Hello, I'm Rowena Crosby, President of Tarot International. I want to make something clear before we jump into the content of this video. Watching a video longer than a few minutes seems like an eternity. I think we can all agree on that. But I'm guessing you clicked this video because you care about your professional development, your team's professional development, and the success of your organization. Please spend the next 5 minutes it will take and consider this to be a great investment of your time. Have you noticed that your desk and your rooms don't spontaneously get cleaner? They get messier if you don't do something about it, and you can blame that on entropy. Entropy is one of the natural laws of the physical world. It states that everything tends towards disorder without an intervention. That's true of your desk. It's true of the rooms in your home. It's true of your body. It's true of your mind. It's true of your team. And it's true of your organization. Even great teams and organizations don't stay great if they don't do something. We all know that relationships need work. Even healthy relationships need work. We can't expect our relationships with our significant others, children, colleagues, and customers to stay strong unless we do something. Your most loyal customers aren't going to stay that way if you don't do something. Entropy tells us that those relationships will tend towards disorder unless we do something. So what should you do? It's time to walk away from your devices and your search engines and get in touch with your inner search engine. Learn how to bring out the best in yourself every day and in every situation, not just on the good days. And learn how to work most effectively with others. Helping you do that is Tarot's mission. Do you want to start small? We invite you to purchase a copy of the award-winning book, Your Invisible Toolbox. It is 100 brief chapters of 2 to 3 pages each. Each chapter challenges you to apply a tool to improving yourself or your relationships with others. Subscribe to Tarot's YouTube channel and invest 17 minutes each Monday morning watching Your Invisible Toolbox. In each show, we take a deep dive into one of the tools in the book. Do you want to start small with your team? Purchase each member of your team a copy of Your Invisible Toolbox and buy the companion card deck. Devote 10 minutes in your next staff meeting to helping your team learn something new. Consider watching a Tarot Tips video with your team. Tarot Tips videos are only 1 to 3 minutes in length. They're packed with useful insights to ignite a passion for learning something new. Are you a little braver and want to take a bigger step? Set aside a couple of days for learning. Participate in an intensive interactive tarot workshop designed to improve your interpersonal skills. Peruse the large number of workshops available and choose the one that is best for you. Bring the workshop to your organization or register for one of the many public sessions offered at Tarot's Learning Center. Are you brave enough to go all in? Examine a Tarot Leadership Academy or a Tarot Sales Academy. These learning experiences are transformational. With 60 to 120 hours of intensive training over the course of 6 to 10 months, your team can't help but be transformed. This is the best investment you can make to ensure that entropy doesn't plague you or your organization. I know. You don't have the time. Many of us are worried about taking a day or two away from the office because we're going to be thinking about the work piling up while we're gone. That's why people are taking fewer and fewer vacation days. It doesn't have to be this way. Just like there's never a good time to start an exercise program or a healthy eating regimen, there will never be a good time to learn something new. You just need to decide. You just need to do something. Isn't it interesting that we spend more time taking care of our cars, our clothes, our hair, and our homes than we do taking care of our minds and our relationships? By learning something new, you can prevent entropy from destroying yourself, your team, and your organization. Tarot is committed to providing learning opportunities that are practical, engaging, and memorable on the roller coaster that is our lives. Do something today.